Today, we're patrolling. Oh no! My backpack was stolen! Can you help me catch the thief?
No problem, leave it to me. Go, go, go!
Move, Officer Doberman, to catch the thief! You found my purse! Thank you so much!
No worries, this is what I'm supposed to do. Officer Doberman, mission accomplished.
Which path do you want? Slide the red button to lift the barrier.
Hank, what's going on?
I want to share the toys with my friends, but I can't find them. Can you help?
No problem. Let's look for them together. These things are missing. Help Hank find them. Ah, here are the toys. Let's find the other toys. Amazing! We found all the toys!
Thank you. You've reached the finish line. Time to draw a prize.